The iron bar is bent in a way that it forms an arc section with a circle angle at 60 degrees at the center. And what is the value of magnetic moment of an arc section when the magnetic moment of an iron bar is capital A? It's known that the magnetic moment of a bar can be written as m times L, whereas L is representing the length of a bar. Once it was bent and if it was making an arc, we can write that will be the change in a magnetic moment and which will be equal to m times r, whereas r is representing the radius of a arc. So here it's known that the arc distance theta can be written as L divided by r, whereas r can be written as L divided by theta. It's given in the question, it's making an angle of 60 degrees. So we can write this as pi over 3. So r will be equal to L over pi over 3, which means it's equal to 3L over pi. Now we have a value of r. So let us calculate the value of change in the magnetic moment. Magnetic moment will be equal to m times 3L divided by pi. So here M and L is representing the magnetic moment of an iron bar. So we can write this as M times 3 divided by pi. So the change in the magnetic moment or as the magnetic moment of an arc section will be equal to 3m divided by. So the correct answer for this question is option A.